What's up, YouTube? Most nice. Back here with another unboxing. I've been gone for about a week or two, but yeah, let's get into it. Got this from Finish Line yesterday. Let's take a look. Probably know what these are. Polo boots. Oh yeah. All black polo boots. They cost $113, I think. This is a size 11. Yep. The green. Hold up. This up. I think it's green. Yeah. Can't see, but you can't really tell probably. Green. It's green inside. All black shoe. I had some of these like in 2011. It's the last time I had polo boots. Got zippers. Got a strap. Yep. Polo sign. Got it from Finish Line. It was cheap for real. Thought it was gonna be like at least up almost $200, but no, it was only 113. Size 11. Polo boots, all black.